important, and I think the entrepreneur has to do it, is manage their expectations just like they would a client. Hey, like you said, time block that 4 hours. Uh, One of the hardest things I think I found a lot of entrepreneurs having problems to do is taking care of their B and C tasks. And one of the things I do, I try to take a block of time. Kelsey knows this. I block everything. If I'm gonna, go for a walk, I block it out. I do this the night before, and things come up, and things change. But one of the things I love doing is blocking about half hour to an hour, and it could be broken up into two different areas, but for my C tasks, and I can get 10, 20 C tasks done just like that. And it clears the list. And that's a huge problem for entrepreneurs, is that list keeps getting bigger and if you're even, I know people that just, don't even have a list. They go from their head, which I don't know how they do it, but I work from a list. It just feels so good to get those 10 things or 20 things off in a half hour or maybe even less.
Absolutely. And, when I do time management with clients, I talk about this concept of umbrellaing each day. So when I go through a time management process, it's like, okay, Monday's going to be possibly your planning day. Let's take Tuesday as an appointment day or a call day. And by the way, well, it used to be when we were out. By the way, when you're out, that's also when you can drop by and do networking and sell networking events and that thing. Maybe Wednesday is the big project day. That's the day where you're really going to tackle things. So having an overarching idea of each day and what type of day it is helps people a lot keep to the routines. Your idea of blocking everything is exactly that. And I take it a bit further and say, okay, this is going to be the networking day. This is going to be the productivity day. This is going to be the project day. This is going to be maybe the admin day. And having it that way, again, everybody thinks differently. So for some people that works really well because they know, okay, Wednesday is the day that I'm going to really tackle the big stuff. I'm going to have the wrap day on Friday and make sure everything's planned for the next week. So having those blocks of intentions is awesome. And what happens is as you said, it's never perfect, but if you know what you didn't do, you know what you need to do. So if you don't have a list of everything that you want to do, you don't even know what you didn't do. So you can't do it. It's just like the people who don't have the list or don't know what they're going to accomplish. They don't know whether they